Hello friends, welcome to Be Mathematician. In today's video, we are going to solve an amazing arithmetic maths problem, that is 2023 square upon 2022 square plus 2024 square minus 2. Now come to the solution. First we'll write given as it is. For such kind of problems, we try to solve it manually without using calculator. Now here the trick is, we can write 2022 as 2023 minus 1 and 2024 as 2023 plus 1. Let's substitute in our expression. It will become 2023 square upon 2022 will be 23 minus 1 square plus 2024 will be 2023 plus 1 square minus 2. We can directly open the bracket by using a plus b the whole square and a minus b the whole square formula. But for simplification, let we consider 2023 be x. So this will become is equal to x square upon 2023 is x, so x minus 1 the whole square plus x plus 1 the whole square minus 2. In next step, we can open the bracket x minus 1 the whole square by formula a minus b the whole square. Therefore, this will become x square minus 2x plus 1 plus sign as it is. X plus 1 the whole square will be x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 2 as it is. Here minus 2x plus 2x gets cancelled. Plus 1 will be plus 2. So we'll write in next step x square upon x square plus 2 plus x square minus 2. Again plus 2 minus 2 gets cancelled. So remaining terms are x square upon x square plus x square will become 2 times x square. X square gets cancelled. Finally, we get 1 upon 2. Let's write our final answer. It is half. Take DIY homework problem for practice. That is 2024 square upon 2022 square plus 2026 square minus 8 is equal to how much? Your options are, option A is 1 upon 2, option B is 1 upon 6, take option C as minus 1 upon 2 and option D as 1 upon 4. Solve it and comment your answer below. Hope you liked my explanation. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.